Hi, I'm Neembah on the Duskwood Realm. I'm creator and editor of World of Neembah, and in this tutorial I will be showing you how to use your UI, how to change your UI, and some add-ons that I use. The first add-on I'm going to talk about is Titan Steel. Titan Steel is an add-on, which by the way I will have links to all these add-ons online where you can get these. Titan Steel is an add-on that shows your durability information, your bag space, money, XP per hour, and time to level. I find the most effective pieces in this is the money and the durability, which I use most in raids. Because usually I'm looking at my money hoping that I don't have to repair anymore because usually I'm broke. Um, so the next add-on is Sexy Map. Sexy Map is an add-on that lets you change your map. How it looks, so you can change it any way, etc. Usually I'll either use the burning sun or I will use the blue rune circles. It's nothing for your raid experience or whatever, I just like how it looks. The next add-on I'm going to talk about is Bartender. Bartender is an add-on which lets you change your bars. I find Bartender the most effective add-on that I use because it currently is the makeup of my user interface. As you can see, I've changed things around, made things smaller, made things bigger, etc. to fit my needs. Bartender, when you just left click the icon, it turns everything green, labels your bars, and enables it so you can move them. You can move them any which way, you can make a big mess, whatever. This is what Bartender does. It makes it so you can move and change the size of your bars. If you go to the config menu, and let's say we're editing bar number 1. Alpha is it means the fade. So as you can see, it just faded it out. You know, I can do halfway, whatever. I like to keep that at 1. Scale is the size. You can change the size of it. Padding is the space between the buttons. I like to keep that the default, which is 2. And buttons is the number of buttons. So see, I'm eliminating buttons as I put that down. Button grid toggles the grid so you can see it and zooms in on the buttons a little bit. Rows defines, let's put button grid on. Rows define how many rows there are. So see, as we add more rows come, and if we go all the way, it's vertical like these bars here. The visibility, I don't play with this much. It's just fading in and out and stuff like that. I just don't play with that. State configuration, this is actually pretty cool. I don't use this much, but say you had a bunch of bars. You had way too many buttons and stuff like this. Say right here you wanted your healing spells, but you also wanted these. If I put page, I want to page to this, which is bar 2. And that's a control key. Now if I press the control key, it pops up. See how that works? And I think that's cool. I just don't personally use it because I set all my bars up in a different way, so I'm going to disable that. So that's Bartender. You can edit all 10 bars, enable them, disable them, change your bag bar, micro menu, pet bar. I found this to be a very trial and error type situation. So the next add-on that I use is ArcHUD, and what ArcHUD does is it shows everything in your party, party and target to target, all right here, right where your main focus should be while raiding. So let me go ahead and get out of Dalaran and show you when I engage combat with something, how ArcHUD works. This here, that one, and that bar usually isn't there, but it's because I'm on my Traveler Tundra Mammoth. Therefore, it's showing you his stats. So that's how it would look for a Hunter or Warlock. But that's not usually there unless you have the Traveler Tundra Mammoth, the Mechano Hog, or you have a pet. So Once I engage combat with something, let's say I want to attack this wolf. You can see its health, the red bar, my health, the green bar, and my mana, the blue bar. So, say I'm casting a spell, which there's the caster right there. You can see it going up, you can see the wolf's health going down, and you can see my health and mana going down as well. I find this very effective in raids because it really demonstrates um, how what's going on and how you should be casting, etc. So this is a definite 2 thumbs up. And my last and final add-on, which is just for healers, is called Healbot. Healbot is an add-on which this is the config menu, which is it's how you heal. I don't like to select from, like, say there are party members there. I don't like to click, heal, click, heal. It's too clanky for me. Even if I use the keyboard macros, it's still too clanky for me. So I use Healbot, where to edit it, you go to your spells in the setup, which is options right there. So say the middle mouse button. On click, I'll chain heal. Shift click, I'll heavy rune cloth bandage. And alt click, I will cleanse spirit, which is like taking poisons and curses and stuff. I'm a resto shaman currently, so this is a very important add-on. So say I'm the tank. Let's pretend like I'm tanking. I would want to put up my earth shield. Then, I'm healing the tank, and I just click my mouse on this or hold, for my Riptide, I have it set at control, mouse button 5, puts that on. And that's how I heal. Rather than, clicking my name like this and chain heal and then lesser healing wave up, select a new person, healing wave. That's too clanky for me. So Healbot is a definite must. There's other add-ons like it, like Grid and stuff like that, but I love Healbot. Healbot's my favorite, and I've tried them all. So that's going to conclude my UI, user interface, tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free, if you're on the Duskwood server, to contact me there, or you can email me at michelle.pontremoli@gmail.com. That's michelle.pontremoli@gmail.com. And with any questions there. So that's the end of my tutorial. I hope you learned something from it. So this is Neembah in World of Neembah, and I hope I see you another time. Don't be afraid to leave comments on the site, email me with suggestions, etc. I'm totally open for constructive criticism. So for now, Neembah's gonna wave goodbye, and I will see you another time.